Want to feel powerful? Build strong shoulders? They are the cornerstone of a robust upper body and play a crucial role in almost every movement you make. From lifting heavy weights to performing daily tasks, strong shoulders are essential. They're key for a powerful physique. Well-developed shoulders not only enhance your appearance, but also contribute to overall strength and stability. They are the unsung heroes of your upper body, providing the support needed for various exercises and activities. Strong shoulders help you lift, push, and move with confidence. Whether you're in the gym or going about your daily routine, having strong shoulders ensures you can perform tasks efficiently and with ease. They are vital for maintaining balance and coordination. They improve your posture and prevent injuries. Good shoulder strength and mobility are crucial for maintaining a healthy posture, which in turn helps prevent back and neck pain. By strengthening your shoulders, you can reduce the risk of injuries and enhance your overall well-being. Ready to unlock your potential? Let's build those delts. With the right exercises and dedication, you can develop strong, resilient shoulders that will support you in all your physical endeavors. Start your journey to a stronger you today. The cable rear delt fly is your secret weapon. This exercise targets your rear deltoids. These muscles often get neglected, but they're crucial for shoulder strength and stability. Get ready to sculpt those shoulders and improve your overall strength. Grab the cables, palms facing in. Stand tall, core engaged. Pull the cables outward, keeping your elbows slightly bent. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Control the weight back to the starting position. Feel the burn in your rear delts. Section 4, Isolation, your key to sculpted deltoids. Isolation exercises are game changers. They allow you to focus on specific muscles, ensuring that each muscle group gets the attention it needs. This is particularly important for the deltoids, which are often overlooked in compound movements. They target specific muscle groups for maximum growth. By isolating the deltoids, you can achieve a more balanced and symmetrical upper body. This not only enhances your physique, but also improves your overall strength and stability. The cable rear delt fly isolates your rear deltoids. This exercise is crucial for developing the back of your shoulders, which can often be neglected. Proper form and controlled movements are key to maximizing the benefits of this exercise. This leads to better muscle definition and strength gains. Consistent isolation exercises will help you achieve those sculpted deltoids you've always wanted. Remember, visible results come from dedication and proper technique. Focus on the mind-muscle connection. This means being fully aware of the muscle you are working on and ensuring it is engaged throughout the exercise. This connection can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your workouts. Feel the muscles working with each rep. This awareness helps in activating the muscle fibers more efficiently, leading to better growth and strength. Isolation exercises, when done correctly, can transform your deltoids and elevate your fitness journey. Section 5. Elevate your workout, tips and tricks. In this section, we will dive into some essential tips and tricks to help you elevate your workout routine. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, these insights will help you maximize your performance and achieve your fitness goals more effectively. Start with a weight you can control. It's crucial to choose a weight that allows you to perform the exercise with proper form. This ensures that you are targeting the right muscles and reducing the risk of injury. Remember, it's not about lifting the heaviest weight, but about lifting smart. Focus on proper form over heavy weight. Don't swing your body. Maintaining proper form is key to effective workouts. When you swing your body, you are not only reducing the effectiveness of the exercise, but also increasing the risk of injury. Keep your movements controlled and deliberate. Use controlled movements to engage the target muscles. Remember to breathe. Controlled movements ensure that you are engaging the target muscles effectively. Breathing is equally important. Exhale during the exertion phase and inhale during the release phase. This helps in maintaining rhythm and providing your muscles with the oxygen they need. Exhale as you pull, inhale as you release. Proper breathing techniques can significantly enhance your performance and endurance. It helps in maintaining a steady flow of oxygen to your muscles, which is essential for sustained energy and reducing fatigue. Now get out there and crush your workouts. With these tips in mind, you are now equipped to take your workouts to the next level. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Every step you take brings you closer to your fitness goals. Share this with your friends, and let's build a stronger community. Fitness is more fun and rewarding when you have a supportive community. Share these tips with your friends and encourage each other to stay on track. Together we can build a stronger, healthier community. What other fitness topics get you fired up? We love hearing from you. What are some other fitness topics or challenges that get you excited? Your feedback helps us create content that is relevant and useful for you. Let me know in the comments below. Engage with us in the comments section below. Your thoughts, questions, and suggestions are always welcome. Let's keep the conversation going and continue to inspire each other on this fitness journey.